Wednesday, September 4, 2024. Focus. The people sought him and came to him, and would have kept him from leaving them. The crowds in today's gospel behave much like the spiritual infants that Paul roundly criticizes in the first reading. Those who have progressed beyond infancy in the faith know that a close encounter with the divine is not something that can be prolonged indefinitely. The disciples at Christ's transfiguration and on the road to Emmaus would testify to the transient nature of the spiritual euphoria they experienced. What Jesus says to the crowd is similar to what he tells Mary Magdalene after the resurrection. Do not cling to me. Jesus has promised to be with us always. Sometimes he gives us the grace of being intensely aware of how close that loving presence is. We must not dwell fruitlessly on these moments. Instead, the memory of His presence must be daily refreshed in the breaking of the bread and the breaking of our lives in service to one another, especially to the least of our brothers and sisters. The Spirit blows where it wills, and it is not for us to know where it came from or will go. We must rejoice in the blessed assurance that nothing can separate us from the love of God. Fruit. I will not cling to spiritual consolation, but follow where the Spirit leads me, knowing that Jesus is with me always.